Darjeeling Himalayan Railways. The toy train ride in the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways is like a sweet lullaby in the midst of a dreamland. True, much has been said about the present condition of Darjeeling Himalayan Railways and Darjeeling itself. A toy train ride through the misty tracks from Darjeeling to Kurseong will definitely rekindle the romanticism in a person. Toy train ride at Darjeeling. First, let me say a little about the history of this wonderful creation. The DHR was constructed by Franklin Prestige from 1879 to 1881. The toy train covers a distance of 88 kilometers from Darjeeling to Siliguri on a 2 feet wide gauge. The railways were initially built as a tramway to exploit the differential price of rice in Darjeeling and Siliguri. Route map to DHR. The entire track has 13 stations in between, with Ghum being the highest one at 7404 feet. Ghum has once the honor of being the highest railway station in the world. True, this distinction has long since gone, yet Ghum is the highest narrow gauge railway station. Nothing can dilute the charm of traveling in a toy train, be it run by steam engine or diesel engines. Just the sound of the whistle of the train and the sight of the steam engine transports me to my dreamland. And as the train moves zigzag like a hissing snake through the mountains, it simply leaves me mesmerized. I look at the green mountains from the window and promise myself that I'll be back soon. The famous toy train of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway has made its first trip in the year 1880. The compartments are the size of small buses and the narrow rail tracks have a gap of 2 feet between them. There are two kinds of engines running at the same time. The century-old engines run on coal and are really slow. The diesel engines are the latest additions and they can pull much faster. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway was given the status of the World Heritage Site by UNESCO in the year 1999. Loop. It is one of the major attractions of Darjeeling Toy Train Ride and its construction was commissioned in the year 1990. As a requirement of the Darjeeling to handle the steep gradient which the train has faced at Ghum. Within this lane, it would have been impossible for the toy train to connect Darjeeling to Ghum, which is the highest location. Here, at this iconic point, one can have a spectacular view of the Kanchenjunga mountain range. The Khasi Loop also houses the war memory which was built in the honor of the Gorkha regiment. Imagine traveling in Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, enjoying magnificent views of majestic Himalayas, with sun rays falling on its snow-laden peaks. It is a view straight out of a travel magazine, but impossible to enjoy when traveling on a toy train. It is undoubtedly be one of the most coveted travel experiences that you are going to cherish forever. Here is what you can look forward to when traveling in Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is nothing but a magnificent example of the engineering prowess of the erstwhile colonial days. As you gently traverse along the rolling slopes of the verdant hills on the choo-choo train, you are forced to accept the engineering acumen of our forefathers. Thank you.